So what you're hearing is me talking through this mic, and this is a typical preset you could use for podcasts. But check this out. Hello, take me to your leader. Now. Hello. Oh, the voice of God. Now showing across all cinemas, Fast and the Furious 55 and a half. Hello. Sounds like I'm all alone in some room somewhere. Echo. So in my previous videos, I spoke about microphones and how it can help you in your audio production. And the three microphones I covered were dynamic, condenser, and ribbon. I didn't speak about USB microphones because usually when one thinks of USB microphones, it tends to be more of a gimmicky thing. That was what I thought until I got this, the Revelator. And the Revelator is not just any USB microphone, it's a USB microphone with so much more. Now, I spoke about something that would help you in your budget when you want to, set up your little audio production thing. But what if it's still daunting to you, where you have a microphone plus a device plus headphones, etc. So the USB microphone kind of eliminates all of that. Think of it as a microphone with an inbuilt interface. So you don't really need to do anything else. All you need to do is connect it, and that's it, and you're good to go. So what sets this apart from other USB microphones? Basically, it's internal vocal processor. So, like, you could be doing something like this. And now I'm a robot. And now I got something that is more dramatic. Then I've got good old echo. So this and so many other presets can be added into this. Now, one of the other good things is I can monitor my earphone level from this little knob over here. And then if I press down on it, and if I press down on the monitor button gives me access to gain control. So it can sound really hot or not as hot. Neat, huh? So the Revelator microphone is also an interface, as I mentioned, and it's an interface that can give you 24-bit up to 192 kilohertz sample rate quality. So it is a pretty professional sounding microphone. So the Revelator features a fat channel, an inbuilt fat channel, which features equalization, compression, reverb as well. It's so dang easy to use that even my 10-year-old daughter uses it regularly to record her songs, to record herself. So this is a microphone that would be very, very useful for you if you're into podcasting a lot, if you're a singer-songwriter and don't want all the hassle of all the interface and the wires and everything. This is good for you. If you're a gamer, if you don't want to sound like you're talking through a tin can, this is the mic for you as well. So it features its own unique software called Universal Control, and this is where you make changes to all the presets and assigning your own user presets, shaping your voice, adding reverb, looping back the audio into your apps like Zoom or Skype. You can change the polar patterns between cardioid, bidirectional, and omnidirectional as you would with a conventional very good condenser microphone. All in all, a very, very good USB microphone which will give you broadcast quality sound for the price of a conventional condenser microphone, which is about little less than 800 dirhams. If you need to check out more information about this particular microphone, you can always head over to the Presonus Revelator page, and they have a couple of videos over there where they can show you how to connect the microphone and how it can be used in conjunction with apps like Zoom or Skype, or if you're a gamer, how to use it as a gamer. Reach out to my friends at DJ Corner, who'll be happy to assist you. The microphone costs less than 800 dirhams, which is the average cost of a good condenser microphone in the market right now. But of course, it offers so much more. So until the next video about pro audio anythings, this is Gustav signing off. Goodbye. Impressive. Most impressive.